Welcome to Anetli Global. Anetli Global specializes in equity management, consulting and financial planning for individual and corporate clients. Reliability, competence, skill, professionalism, and innovation are the values that set our company apart, always putting our users first. Anetli Global is a well-known firm, and we are registered and working after completing all legal requirements. We are registered with International Forex and Crypto Trade Corporation as well. The Anetli pool channels all the inflows in 2 different sectors like nodes, NFTs, stakings and equity. All the staked amount is traded in crypto, forex and stocks to help generate 1% daily till 200%. Anetli Trading Academy offers trading skills, knowledge and excellence through various educational packages. There are total 8 packages ranging from level 1 to level 8. The first level package is EP50, which means educational package of $50. Similarly, there are EP250, EP500 and so on up to EP25,000. Each package gives access to a higher level of education. All levels of education are accessible through the web portal. There are various income that you can earn on activating a package, including raw income, direct bonus, team bonus, network bonus, trading bonus, reverse bonus, global bonus and renewal bonus. The first income is 8% direct sponsor income of the package value. You can make unlimited direct sponsors to earn 8% for each package. Along with this, you can also earn team bonus up to 4 levels. From first level it will be 8%, 1% from second level and 0.5% from third and fourth level. The next is network bonus of 10% that is paid every Friday. This bonus is paid on the basis of business in left and right of binary. The maximum bonus will be as per package amount. You can also earn team renewal bonus, which means users will get binary again when referrals will renew their package again after earning. The maximum will be 500% from Anetli Pool Plus compensation plan or get 200% ROI to continue earning. Packages will automatically renew. The next is global bonus of 2% that will be divided equally among all qualified members. To become eligible, user needs to have self-package of EP5,000, along with direct sales volume of $15,000, or self-package of EP25,000. Along with this, you can earn trading bonus of 20% extra in 10 months. For example, out of your $10,000 amount, $7,500 goes to cash wallet and $2,500 goes to trading wallet. Next income is reverse matching bonus. To be eligible for this, you need to have self-package of EP1000, and 3 direct referrals of same package, or above are required within 14 days. From level 1 and 2 you can earn 2% income, and 1% from third level. There are various ranks and rewards for you. The first one is bronze rank that can be achieved when you have 5,000 volume. On left and right both. At bronze rank you can achieve $50 cash reward. Similarly, with high rank you can win international tours, Apple products, and supercars. Various payment gateways are supported by Anetli Global that include Ease, Bitcoin, Tron, Ethereum and USDT. The withdrawal process will be 5%, and processing time up to 48 hours. Let's go through roadmap of Anetli. In 2022 Anetli will be launched in UK, Dubai and Africa. In 2023 smart contract will be launched. Also MasterCard integration will be done and Forex broker will be launched. In 2024 global business centers, metaverse integration and Anetli crypto exchange will be launched. In 2025 Anetli Academy will be expanded, and Anetli e-commerce will be established. So you can start your journey today with Anetli and start your regular income to achieve financial freedom. For more information visit www.anetliglobal.com. Stay tuned, thank you.